Karnataka.
Sir,
Please
sir,
take
no,
a
sir.
seat. Please take a seat and be comfortable.
Thank you, sir.
What is your name?
BIKASH Kumar, sir.
Vikas Kumar sir.
Yeah.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because give a full introduction.
Introduction. So I am BIKASH Kumar, sir. I come from Khordha district, Bolagarh town. I have completed my schooling in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Khordha. Post that, I did my bachelor's and master's from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Further, I worked temporarily for Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and then I did quite a lot of bit of research on evolution and neuroscience. Post that, now I am preparing for civil services. So I have some interest in economics and tracking infrastructure, market, this kind of things.
Optional is economics.
Yes.
Then you have hobbies.
Yeah, my hobbies are like I like to track different infrastructure development and such kind of things, and I also do some content writing on like simplifying scientific topics and subjects for common understanding.
So you were botany postgraduate, biology postgraduate in IASC Bangalore.
Yes.
So after that, why you opted for this OAS?
No, I did a bit of research from up to 2021. Post that, my like vision declined significantly. So continuing further research on that field turned out to be unsustainable. So then I tried to find alternative career options. So for me, civil services has had four strong points to choose this. First is it provides a varied opportunity to work on different fields, not getting limited. Second, it provides an opportunity to be involved in policy making and policy implementation in the senior level. Third, like I had always an interest to do something for the development of the society or contribute to the development society, and civil services gives an opportunity to achieve that. Fourth, I needed a much stable and sustainable livelihood because I am not sure of my vision, so that's why I chose civil services.
Recently, botany would ask you. Recently, Utkala Ratna award is given to which person? For what?
Sir, I am not aware of.
You should know everything. So who's I know everything. Not that it has come in newspaper also.
Okay.
Story writing. This Santanu Kumar Acharya.
Okay, I will look into that.
That you do. That is very important.
Okay.
Bird flu is maximum now.
Yes.
This is expanding.
Yes.
How can you curb it?
So the steps which have been taken to combat flu are calling the birds in a 1 kilometer radius of the infected area. That will reduce the spread of infection as it is a viral infection, and also several precautions can be taken by poultry farmers, like seeing if the birds are developing any symptoms and immediately contacting the veterinary persons so that immediate treatment and immediate calling can happen.
Can it be congenial for you to go for a public work? I mean, field work as an officer.
Several people who have like complete blindness also are.
I'm not linking it. I'm not linking it. But will it be comfortable to you?
Like for yes, it will be comfortable, but I will be focusing more on
Desk work.
desk work and policy implementation, this kind of work.
Okay, that should be clear to
Yes,
the.
I am clear about that.
Yes, yes. Then about in UP,
Okay.
they are thinking and performing for this oxygen bank.
Oxygen bank.
Oxygen bank.
Okay.
So what is this oxygen bank? What is your idea? And which are the plants which give more oxygen?
So oxygen bank, I'm not exactly sure about a policy which UP is adopting, but if I
No,
can.
in general, as botany student, you tell which are the oxygen banks. Which plants produce
Provide
more
my
oxygen?
So plants like the broadly plants like oak tree, banyan tree, these plants provide.
Oak tree, broadleaf plant.
we call it in Odia, so the
Indoor plants you tell something.
indoor plants.
Forget what I've said. Oak tree never tell.
Okay. Indoor plants like I am not sure, sir. I am not a botany student. If I can correct that. So
No, but it's one. Na?
No.
You have done biology.
yes, so biology at IISc is more focused on microbiology, cell biology, and mostly neuroscience. So they
Cell
don't,
biology.
yeah, they don't teach.
So in a cell which is called like the brain of the cell.
The nucleus of the cell.
Then the energy center,
Energy is provided by mitochondria.
mitochondria.
Yes.
The what is chromosome? What is gene?
Chromosome and gene. Chromosomes are the carrier of inheritance material. So in humans we have 23 pairs of chromosome that gets inherited from parents to child, and that provides the traits.
You tell for
traits.
two to each viral and bacterial disease in plants.
In plants. Plants viral diseases would be. Sir, I'm not
In
sure about plants.
biology or telling agriculture. Then this so lemon plants.
Okay.
Now citrus plants.
Okay.
Nowadays which type of disease occur?
They have yellowing of their leaves. That is a bacterial plant disease.
Professor.
Tell me about the demerits of globalization.
So globalization has the many demerits, such as like there is taking away of opportunity from local area, and indigenous people feel that there is a threat to their culture and social structure because of globalization. Second, because of globalization, different MNCs are coming into developing countries and they are exploiting their resources, and they are also practicing trade practices which are not suitable for those countries. So that is also a demerit. And because of import dependence, countries are becoming the supply chain is becoming threatened. So these days countries are taking steps to mitigate these challenges.
Homogenization and hybridization. What do you mean by that?
In the context of
Culture.
culture, okay. So homogenization is when a same type of culture is being practiced by the wide section of population, and those people who enter that population try to adapt to that culture which is prevalent there. Hybridization is when two cultures come together and adopt the best different practices from both the culture and make a new culture out of it.
Okay, inflation is harmful.
Yes.
Inflation is unjust. And depression is harmful. Or inflation is harmful, no, depression is unjust. What is that?
Sir, inflation, if it is done in a limited way, it is not actually harmful. It is good for a developing country. But if it is high inflation, then it is considered as a tax on the poor because it reduces the living standard of the poor. But depression is harmful, of course, because depression means the growth of the country declines, and because of that, economic opportunities for the people also declines.
And distinguish between welfare economics and Marxist economics.
So welfare economics is distribution, trying to distribute the gains of development
Yes.
among people who are not well off or not who could not get the opportunity fruits of development. But Marxist economists, they talks about distribution of resources.
And what is invisible hand in economics?
Invisible hand is in the perspective of markets' role in the development of an economy.
Yes.
Where markets play a significant role in increasing the production, increasing consumption in an economy, and economy can grow if it gives free hand to markets, and market can function without any hindrance from the state.
Very good. You have answered correctly all my economics questions.
Please tell me,
Okay, sir.
How was Goa incorporated into the Indian Union?
So Goa was a colony for the Portuguese.
Yes.
And in 1960s, when after India got independent in 1947, then India wanted Goa to be integrated, but Portuguese they declined to accede to the demand.
Yes,
so,
very good.
So India sent it's like any police action.
Yes,
Try to
yes.
get Goa.
Who was the Prime Minister at that time?
Jawaharlal Nehru was the prime minister.
Very good. Acha, tell me about Article 19 of the Constitution of India. Do you want water? Please have water. Please.
Take water.
Take.
Thank you, sir. Article 19. Article 19 talks about the rights of people to have freedom, freedom of expression, freedom of livelihood, freedom of profession, freedom of movement, freedom to stay anywhere in the country.
Very good.
These are the provisions of Article 19.
Now, in this context, please tell me, are there any restrictions attached to these freedoms, or are these freedoms absolute?
No, sir. Under Article 19(2), there are reasonable restrictions
Yes,
under
very good.
Article 19. So these restrictions are based on based on the integrity and security of the country, not disturbing the public order, not disturbing the morality.
Yes.
These are the restrictions.
Very good, very good. So now tell me, what are the organs of the United Nations?
United Nations have some.
How many organs are there? Principal organs, main organs.
I think 6
Very
principal
good, very
organs are
good.
there.
Can name them?
United Nations, not UNESCO, UNISOC is one organ.
No.
United Nations, SOC, I think. The name.
What is the main organ?
Main organ is the United Nations Security Council.
Very good.
Then United General Assembly.
Yes.
Then United Nations has also an organ. The WHO is also.
No, that is not one of the principal organs. First two you have told
I think
correctly.
United Nations Secretary is also.
Yes, three. You have told 3 organs.
Another 3, UNISOC was.
No, ECOSOC.
ECOSOC, sorry. ECOSOC is a
What is the full form of ECOSOC?
economic and social.
Very good. So 4. We have covered 4.
And
2 more.
2 more, I think.
Trusteeship Council.
Okay.
Okay, and the last is International Court of Justice.
Okay.
ICJ.
ICJ at Hague.
Where is it located?
Hague.
The Hague.
The Hague.
In which country?
Netherlands.
Very good. Now, tell me, is the executive responsible to the legislature in a parliamentary form of government?
Yes, sir.
How does it show its responsibility?
The executive is responsible to govern the parliament through firstly through financial, because the parliament has the string of the purse of the how
Yes.
the executive will spend its resources.
Very
Like public accounts committee says the expenditure if it is done correctly or not.
Yes.
Second, the parliament approves the budget.
Yes.
Third, if if the executive does something, does misconduct, then the parliament has the authority to bring in no confidence motion and
Yes.
remove the executive.
Thank you.
Okay. Sir.
Because
Yes.
actually you are comfortable
Yes, sir.
in APA. You are presentable also. Only thing I can suggest that you will be more confident, develop more confidence. Confidence, if you develop,
Okay.
then you can win over anything. Local news.
Okay.
You must not ignore local news.
Okay. Like Utkal Ratna.
Yes. Puja and retail. Just like this Ratha, Santun Ratha, like that.
Okay.
It has Odia people and Odisha.
Okay.
So these are connected. So there may be a lot about that. About government scheme, all the education sector, technology sector, health sector, all these things, different sectors. When will be viable?
15th.
15th.
Yes.
So only one will be there.
Yes.
Make a plan, a routine also. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
With confidence, don't worry.
So confidence means I put like
No,
more.
where you have answered this, I mean, outside questions.
Okay.
Very correctly.
Outside this subject very correctly. But about this botany, biology students, etc., you should be more particular about this subject.
Yes, sir. Biology, I finished the education in 2008.
Maybe.
So,
We have finished your education, suppose in 1974 MSc. What is there?
okay, I'll look into some like recent developments.
Yes,
in
yes.
biology.
Only glossary part to cover.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Okay, our best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes.